Travellers arriving into Canada will now be required to provide a negative COVID-19 test as of January 7th. That date given this afternoon by the federal government, a day after announcing the new travel restriction. As Richard Zussman now reports, airlines are scrambling to comply with only a week left to prepare.
Delayed flight.
We have been trying to get the government to work with us over the past 6 or 7 months in developing a clear, concise testing strategy.
The head of the National Airlines Council of Canada is frustrated. After months of advocating for a testing strategy, Wednesday's federal decision to require proof of a negative COVID-19 test from air passengers came as a surprise.
And the whole point of that exercise is to avoid a rushed approach and the confusion that will now create. And unfortunately, that is the approach we are now seeing.
Late on Thursday, the federal government providing some details. As of January 7th, all air passengers 5 years and older will be required to have the negative test before traveling into Canada from another country. The test must be taken within 72 hours of flying, and the negative result must be presented to the airline before boarding.
I'm concerned that Canadians who are abroad in jurisdictions that may not have easy access to PCR tests might have problems.
Anyone coming back will still be required to quarantine for 14 days. The provinces are supportive of the testing measure, but Quebec and British Columbia have repeatedly raised concerns Ottawa is not doing enough to ensure those in isolation after international travel are actually staying there.
The more that can be done to support people and maintain that 14-day quarantine, because it's not easy, but also to remind people that that is their absolute obligation to do so, would be helpful.
British Columbia and other provinces specifically concerned about the fact that those that are under quarantine are not getting frequent enough phone calls from the federal government. Especially important now that the COVID-19 variant is here in Canada. Sonia?
Richard Zussman in Victoria, thank you.